And how's it going? This is Chris at Dixie. Oh, wait, no. This is the bald metal nerd coming at you. And I thought I would give Chris a little bit of a run for his money because I've seen him do this style of video before. And I'm going through some frustrating things, and this is going to be shot over multiple days. It's going to stretch into 2 months. Right now, as I'm recording this section, it's January 13th, 2021. And essentially, what we have going on here is, as you can see, my bedroom is in quite a disarray here. Yep, this is where me and Mrs. Nerd sleep. And when the mood strikes, other things, like crossword puzzles. Get your minds out of the gun. Anyway, but as you can see, it's a gigantic mess in here. And why is it such a gigantic mess in here, right? Well, the reason it's such a mess in here is today was supposed to be kind of a nice, smooth bed delivery. And you're like, you got that bed delivered to you today? Well, not exactly. We did get this headboard today. We also got, let's see, go around to the side of the bed here. I know, isn't it just a scenic view of a lot of junk? We got the slats to go in the middle of the bed. Over here in the living room, which is, as far as I know, not a bedroom. We got the footboard with drawers. And in the room that my 18-year-old is temporarily using, we've got some slats there. And so you might be asking yourself, well, why is the bed in pieces all over your house, right? Well, the reason it is... dang it, there we go. The reason it's such a mess is because when they delivered this monstrosity of a bed today, they did not have the legs that go with the headboard. So the bed could not be assembled without the legs at all. They could literally do nothing. So we said, okay, can we get the legs, when can we get this done? The earliest they said they can get us accommodated is February 9th. They'll just bring an entirely new headboard, which comes with the legs. And, yeah, good stuff. So this is going to be my situation until February 9th. Now, I do have some rails I could use with this box spring and mattress to get it up off the floor. But the wife said, oh, we'll just... because we did actually sleep like this last night. And she said that was all right. We could probably do this till February 9th. And I'm like, okay. But I'm not just here to talk about and complain about the fucked up delivery from Bob's Discount Furniture. So put you guys on fucking blast. The other thing I wanted to talk about was the fact that, as you can see, my walls are not the best looking walls you've ever seen. And the carpet is quite old. Has a lot of pet stains on it over the years. This house was built in '02 and 2002. 2002. And the carpet is original, I'm assuming. I've only owned the house since 2008, but we've never replaced the carpet in this room yet. So once this bed is constructed, it's going to be an absolute monstrosity, right? It's going to be more or less impossible to move. So if you want to replace carpet, obviously you got to get all of the furniture and all the stuff out of a room before you do it. Isn't that right, Orchid? She doesn't care. She's just, yeah. Anyway, so that's just how cats are, uncaring. So basically, you have to get everything out of the room before it happens. So I'm going to show you guys each step along the way of getting this done, because we want to get new carpet and we want this room painted before February 9th, because after February 9th, it's going to be a much more difficult job to do. So that's what we're going to do. And I'm going to show you guys each step of the way what this room ends up looking like. That way you can kind of chart the progress. Of course, this will all be uploaded in one video, but whatever. So Next part of the video, you will see this room dejunked. It will be much, much cleaner. It will be amazing. I will see you guys whenever, and I'll let you know how long that took. See ya. Okay, folks, here we are, part 2 of this wonderful, stupid vid. And in this one, the room is been, so you see a lot less stuff in here now. It's now basically ready to paint in here. As you can see, we've masked off the wood trim and everything, and along the ceiling. Took the vents off, electrical covers, all of the wonderful things, and we are ready finally to paint in here. I did the majority of this work on my own today. It took many hours. So tomorrow, the wife will actually be the one painting. So, but yeah, she should be able to paint in here with no issues. And just to show you guys where my furniture is living at the moment, here is one of the dressers and the other dresser. Pretty great. Since we're going to be getting carpet soon as well, we don't quite have it scheduled yet, but we know it's coming soon. We've decided to make the awesome decision to kind of let the furniture live in the living room until we get the carpet, and then it's coming back in. So that's it for now. I'll see you guys next with the completed painted room. And it'll definitely look a little less crazy than this, but it is starting to do something. So see ya. Okay, folks, here we are the next day, January 18th, I think it is, today. And here we have the bedroom painted. The wife actually painted the bedroom today, and the walls look much, much better. They're this great, nice shade of blue instead of white with a bunch of stains on them. We got some blackout curtains. We are going to need some more because we found out the hard way that 2 of those curtains are intended for one window, so just go tomorrow and get another set. No big deal, and add them onto the newly mounted curtain rods. But yeah, the room looks starting to take shape a little bit. All that's really left, of course, is the carpet replacement, which we did get scheduled today. I believe we got that scheduled for February 2nd. And yeah, so when next time you see me in here, we'll have new carpet. Most of the furniture will be back in here, and we'll just have one more step to do until this room is finalized. So see you guys in a bit. All right, folks, here we are on Friday, February 5th of 2021, and the room has certainly come a long way. As you can see, we got brand new carpet today. It's nice and soft and clean, and the room got rearranged a little bit. We still don't have the bed. That doesn't come till Tuesday, but at least we know exactly where the bed's gonna go. And the walls are still looking great because obviously we just painted them. As far as like all of the work that we had to do ourselves, it's done. The total project cost up to this point, well, I guess total project cost period is about $1,100. It was around $100 for the paint and painting supplies that we needed to get to paint the room. And this gives you an idea of just, and it was about $1,000 for the carpet, and that did include installation. We didn't know it would be that much though, because when we went to Home Depot to price the carpet, it was priced at approximately roughly $3 a square foot. And we have about, 200 square feet in this room, roughly. So we thought it would be about $600. Well, turned out to be $1,000 because of the carpet pad. That was not included in the price per foot. So we know what question to ask next time. Obviously, we just went ahead and did it. But yeah, the install only took a couple hours. But I spent much more time, getting furniture out of and into this room today. Um, we basically only have one more step to do, and that, of course, is getting the actual final bed frame, and then this room will be finished. So that will be the final part of the video. So that's it for this. See you guys again on Tuesday. Okay, folks, here we are on February 10th, 2021. It's going to be the final video in the series. So let's just take a quick walk into this room that is all basically finished now. Yeah, I know we got some stuff, but some stuff still needs to get put away, but still, compared to what it was. And the reason that over there looks like that is my wife has been sick with the flu for the last few days, so she's basically has lived in bed. So there you go. But yeah, I think this room looks absolutely fabulous now. Although I do have a major complaint about Bob's Discount Furniture, which is who we purchased this bed from. Extremely poor customer service. Basically, what happened with them is we were waiting about a month, for the full delivery of this bed, as you guys are well aware of from the last part, from previous parts of this video. We had quite a delay, right? And on top of the delay, we asked for a few more different parts to be swapped out because there was some damage to some of the parts. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the damage here. This is a brand new bed, literally just put in this bedroom yesterday. Let's see if we can see some of the... Okay. Yeah, we got a blemish here on the side rail. We asked for new side rails to be sent. They weren't. And on top of that, we have some blemishes here on, let's see, we got one there, one there, one there. So basically, we got multiple blemishes on a brand new piece of furniture just delivered by them, right? And we were told that there would be, basically compensation for this, right? Well, you want to know what Bob's Discount Furniture idea of compensation is when it comes to a month-long inconvenience and blemishes on your brand new furniture? Well, they're starting... okay, so what we did is this morning I called their customer service, which is, of course, based in India. So, you get high-quality service that way. And so I call them up, and initially they say, oh, well, we'll give you $25 back for your inconvenience. And it's like, no, that's not going to be anywhere near enough. So, then we get, then they up it to $50, and we're like, no, that's still not good enough. Then they get the, quote, supervisor on the phone, and they offer $100. And while we still didn't feel that was quite enough, it's like, fine. By this point, we're tired of kind of fighting with them about it. So we're like, okay, we'll take that. Then we come to find out it's a lousy store credit. We're like, no, we want a partial refund on our credit card. They're like, no, it's a store credit. It's like, we're never going to shop there again. A store credit is not exactly what we're looking for. That's completely useless to us. Oh, well, all we could do is give you a store credit. It's like, really, all you can do. We can't do a refund on the credit card. I'm like, every company on earth can do refunds on credit cards. So, we're waiting for the actual store to open at 11 a.m. And maybe talk to someone here in the States. We're going to ask for the store manager. I don't know what kind of success we'll have with that, if any. But as of right now, I would suggest to everyone, do not buy any furniture at Bob's Discount Furniture whatsoever. If I had had a better experience, I would be praising some aspects of this bed right now. I mean, because as a storage bed, it's, fairly decent. I got, right here, we got a phone, some chargers for various devices, and that clock I reviewed a while back, we got some remotes and stuff there. This is my cubby hole. You know, exciting stuff. Got headphones, iPod, wallet. I'm sure I'll put more stuff in there later. But yeah, I mean, it's a decent bed. But regardless of that, the fact that we got treated so poorly is definitely going to make me never buy anything there again. Isn't that right, Orchid? And she's just, yeah. All right. So anyway, but the good news is, the other bit of good news is, now that this room is completed, I now have a much more normal looking living room. This is much better. We don't have dressers and pieces of bed and everything in this room anymore. Isn't that right, Shaker? He says, I guess so. All right, so that is basically the end of this. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know Chris has done these styles of videos in the past. I just thought I'd show kind of off the process of taking a room that looked pretty bad and making it look pretty good, despite my unpleasant experiences. If I do have a more pleasant experience, I'll probably upload a follow-up video, but it'll probably remain shitty. So, time will tell. Anyway, that pretty much wraps it up. I hope you guys like this. As always, live long and prosper. Keep on rocking. I did that backwards. Whatever, you know the crap. See you guys in the next one.